Pretty good. Just the girl.
Who?
The girl who did your EKG.
I don't know nothing about that. I took it out.
For sure. She messed up everything.
It was a cholerica, eh?
She's very, she's very tough.
Hmm?
She's very rough.
Eu love that. If you don't get another, not a cowboy, just like the one who was a scribe there. No.
Bueno.
Esto. Y todo. Tomato is very good for you. Easy to the right tomato too.
This is the salad tomato.
and we was go to New Orleans. We was to get to know some of the food. You know the chef,
Yeah, cook. The chef.
the cook, the chef. The chef he was
Italian?
no. He's this one I know he's sure all the time. He's a good one.
Which one? The barbecue guy?
No.
Jack Stepin? Mario Vitale?
He's where was it called? The one that I was at there. Bum.
Yes.
Perché Vidal.
Huh?
E,
Nicky Vidal?
no. Amero,
Hey Google.
Amero, Amero.
Emerald? Emerald?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey Google.
Was to get the meat from there, the fish, I think a vegetable too.
Yeah. In his restaurant? In his restaurant?
And the restaurant? For board,
Oh.
for the sheep.
Okay.
Because we was a cargo over there in New Orleans.
Baton Rouge.
No, we was to go back to Rouge too, but in New Orleans was a cargo the grain. Cargo the grain, we was to go New Orleans, Baton Rouge, and Canada, Montreal. At the time this guy was younger, just like a Joe.
Let's see how old is he now.
Hmm?
We'll see how old is he now.
Maybe he's my age.
No, he's young. He's 64.
How much?
64.
64?
He was born on October 15, 1959
Yeah.
in Massachusetts.
Massachusetts? I think it was the origin of New Orleans.
Wait, this is the third.
I think he got to be more older than that.
So his father,
Maybe his father, maybe he was that time there.
yeah, maybe. Emerald John Lagasse Jr. was his father. This one here was the third, the 62 years old. Maybe that one was the father, the one that you were talking about.
He was looking like him, see, today. That time.
Huh?
See. Yeah. This is him here. Who is his father? This is his father?
Son, this is the third.
This is the third? And this one is this one now.
Yeah,
But his father, I think, is the same one.
gotta be the same.
Yeah. He's going to get all the meat for these people. The meat, the fish for the sheep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Egg, everything.